tuo padre sta male. Quando tu sta meglio, il cane ti fa un ognuno e mettiamo tutto a posto.
Hi there, you are watching Gizmo Journal. Today we are introducing Higgsfield Recast. Higgsfield's new tool, Recast, takes a different approach to character replacement in video. Instead of simple face filters or basic overlays, it analyzes the full body, posture, hand movement, and subtle gestures, and applies those motions to a new character model. The goal is to produce results that look naturally recorded rather than artificially inserted. One of its standout aspects is how quickly you can switch characters.
You left us to rot in this filthy ground.
Every day, we wait
for you to join us.
With a single action, the system applies a full-body swap while keeping small physical details stable, which is something most generative video tools struggle with. Recast also brings together several advanced features in one workflow: body motion transfer, environment changes, voice cloning, and multilingual dubbing. While the tech behind it is powered by Wan Animate and clearly pushes motion-driven video generation forward, I'm mainly looking at how it performs in real-world use. From a creator's point of view, it's impressive to see a tool offering features that used to require high-end studio setups, now available in a much simpler workflow. Now let's see how it works. In the very first footage, we have cast Sylvester Stallone in the very famous Godfather scene. To do that, simply add your video. That is the video with the person to be replaced. This case, the original footage from the Godfather movie. Next, in the character image, upload image of the desired character, which is an image of Sylvester Stallone, who will replace Al Pacino. Finally, hit the Generate Video button. Higgsfield uses credits to create this recast footage for you. If you notice closely, the generated video retains the actual emotion of the character very efficiently. Recast takes character swapping to a different level. It's not doing simple face replacements. It actually maps your full body movement, the small gestures, and overall motion, really accurately. The physics feel surprisingly natural. There is another very famous movie scene from Pulp Fiction that I will try in the Higgsfield Recast. And for the character, let's upload a very innocent baby face and see what happens.
Continue. You were saying something about best intention?
I want to now take this clip from the movie Taken. Here the hero is now being replaced by this person.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money.
So who is this really meant for? Well, a bunch of creators, actually. Faceless creators get a way to appear on camera without ever revealing themselves. UGC creators and ad teams can spin up multiple creative versions fast for ABC testing. And for smaller studios trying to produce character-heavy content without hiring actors or renting sets, this can seriously cut down the cost. Here is another example. The footage being uploaded is a video of a dancer, and the character image is a photo of you, or maybe a character from your film. If you see the output, you know how perfectly it's executed. What really stood out to me is how well it handles tricky hand movements. Tools like Wan 2.2 usually struggle there, but this is the first time I've seen a character swap hold up during more complex actions without falling apart. Next, let me introduce Higgsfield Recast Studio, which gives you full control over the generated video. Apart from uploading your own photo, you also get a big library of 30+ character presets. Everything from male and female models to anime, cartoon, even some quirky animal options. With a single click, you can swap yourself out completely and drop right into any of these looks. You can even change the voice of the character. Clone any voice and apply it to your video. Simply upload or record a clear audio. Your AI avatar speaks in whatever voice you choose, maintaining perfect lip sync and natural delivery. Try one of 12 included presets.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies.
Rivers stretch their arms to the sea's open embrace.
Hey, I'm Zara. Let's create something that feels real, sounds human, and connects everything.
The shallow reefs are but a fraction of this enormous water world. In the ink.
It was a nice day as far as Mondays go. Maybe a good day to wash the car or mow the lawn.
There's also multi-language dubbing built right in. You can record in your native language and instantly convert your voice into 6 major languages, complete with automatic lip sync. It opens up global reach in a really effortless way. Whether you're an Indian creator wanting to publish in English or a US creator aiming for a Spanish-speaking audience, you can switch languages in seconds. If you're a VTuber or you run a character-driven channel, this lets you switch identities instantly. If you're a global creator, the built-in dubbing in 6 languages, plus voice cloning, makes it super easy to localize your content. Background swaps are super simple too. Recast gives you a set of ready-made locations you can drop into with one click. It's especially handy for faceless creators who want polished, professional-looking scenes without spending anything on actual locations. In this example, we take the dancing girl footage and try to use one of the preset characters. There is no voice, and you will set the background. Let's see how it handles the job. So who does the new Higgsfield Recast really help? Think personal brand builders who want to experiment with different looks, personalities, and on-camera styles before settling on a public identity. Think meme makers and viral creators who want to drop themselves into trending formats with full control over the character and the scene. And it's great for educators too. You can present as different characters or appear in new environments to keep your lessons visually engaging and fresh. Overall, Higgsfield Recast feels like a look into the future of creator tools, faster, more flexible, and packed with opportunities to level up your content and your earning potential. If you want to try it out and see how it can fit into your workflow, the link is waiting for you in the description below.